Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent that automates all your emails using just one tool. I'm not going to waste your time, so let's get right into it. Here's what we're covering today. How to use AI to send emails on your behalf. Monitor and summarize your inbox 24/7 with no breaks. And most importantly, how to build a complete email automation system to reach out to your clients, manage their replies, and track every relationship in one place. Whether you're doing cold outreach, following up with leads, or just trying to stay on top of your inbox, this tutorial covers it all. The tool we're using is called SureThing. Head to Google, search for SureThing.io, and sign up for free. Signing up and choosing your first agent. Okay, let's head to SureThing.io. Once the page loads, click Get Started for free and follow the steps to sign in with your Google account. After you verify and log in, you'll land on SureThing's onboarding screen. And this is where it gets interesting. For the first time you sign in, it'll ask you to pick an AI agent to get started with. You'll see SureThing already has a whole catalog of pre-built agents ready to go. There's a social media automation agent that drafts, schedules, and analyzes posts across multiple platforms for you. There's lead gen and outreach, competitor research, SEO monitoring, short video pipeline. Honestly, you could just pick one of these and you're up and running in seconds. But for this tutorial, we're going to build our own from scratch. So click Something Else in Mind? And then hit New Project. Give your project a name. I'm calling mine Email Automation System, and click Create. And just like that, your workspace is ready. You'll also see you've got 1,150 free AI credits waiting for you. 1,000 for signing up, plus 150 for your first login of the day. That's more than enough to follow this entire tutorial and test every feature we're covering. Creating a project and drafting outreach emails. Now let's create your first project. Click the plus icon and select New Project. Give it a name that makes sense for your use case. Here's where things get powerful. If you already have a list of customers, clients, or creators you want to reach out to, with their names, emails, and any relevant details, just paste all of that information directly into the chat. For example, in my case, I have a full list of creators I want to send collaboration outreach emails to. I paste everything in and tell SureThing exactly what I need. And just like that, it drafts personalized collaboration outreach emails for every single contact on the list, automatically. No copy pasting, no switching between tools. SureThing does it all from one place, reviewing and sending emails. Now that SureThing has generated all the emails, it's time to send them. You can review each draft individually. Just click through them, make any edits you want, and hit send when you're ready. But if you've reviewed them and you're happy with everything, just type send them all, and SureThing will handle the rest automatically. Connecting Gmail and other apps. Quick note for first-time users. When you first use SureThing's email features, it will ask you to connect your Gmail account. Just follow the steps. It only takes a few seconds. And if you want to use other tools in your workflow, you can connect those too. Click Connect Apps, search for whatever you need, and add it. SureThing connects to over 1,000 apps, so whatever you need, it can plug right in. Building a client management system with a prompt. Now let's take it a step further. What if you don't just want to send emails? You want SureThing to monitor replies, track client status, and manage everything in one place? You can do that too, and it's easier than you'd think. I've already written a prompt that builds a full client management system inside SureThing. If you want that prompt, just like the video, comment prompt below and subscribe. I'll send it to you. You copy the prompt, paste it into SureThing, change it a little bit if you want, and send. SureThing will automatically build the entire email automation and client tracking system for you. It takes a few seconds to set it up. Go grab a coffee, and when you come back, SureThing will let you know it's ready.
And here it is, your client management system, built entirely by SureThing. Click on Pages and you'll see the full dashboard. It shows you the company name, contact, current status, industry, and the date of your last touch point. Everything you need to stay on top of your relationships. Click into any client and you get the full detail view. You can update their status manually, or if you've already sent an email, SureThing automatically detects and updates the status for you. See this Generate Auto Response Draft button? Click it, review the draft, and hit Confirm and Send. SureThing handles the reply. You just approve it. You've also got a pipeline board, follow-up queue, and one lost board. And if you need to add a new client, just click Add Client, fill in the details, and they're in the system. The best part? If you ever want to change anything, add a column, rename a status, restructure the layout, just describe what you want in the chat, and SureThing will update it for you. No code, no rebuilding from scratch. And that's it. A fully functional AI email agent and client management system built in minutes with SureThing. If you're just getting started, remember, you get 1,150 free AI credits the moment you sign up, and you earn more every day just by logging in. It's completely free to try, so there's no reason not to. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I read every single one. See you in the next one.